Next trick we're going to do is thumb grind transfer. If you didn't learn thumb grind yet, go learn that, because obviously you need to learn thumb grind to be able to do thumb grind transfer. Thumb grind transfer looks like this. You're popping the yo-yo up, you're catching it on one string and transferring it to the other hand. This allows you to do two things. It allows you to keep it going longer, because you can only go so far with just one hand. It will slide off. So this allows you to keep going longer, and it actually it gives you a little more control, because from there to there you can get both hands in there and control a little longer. You'll get more spin time out of it. I find I'm able to do it a lot longer when I switch hands. So that's thumb grind transfer. Let me show you the easiest way to get into it that I found. I'll start from a trapeze when I'm first learning, and this time you take your dominant hand and start the thumb grind. So start from that, like that. Get the feel for it. That's important. You want to be able to do the thumb grind with both hands, because last time we focused on the non-dominant hand. So from a trapeze, once again, bring your thumb into it. Practice getting that solid. And then when you're ready to put everything all together, what you're going to do is start with your left hand, or your non-dominant hand. Mine is my left. I bring my thumb into it, control it, and when it's just about there from your body, it's at a right angle kind of to your body, that's when you take your other hand and place it, kind of a switch move. As this one's coming out, you twist your thumb this way and bring this thumb into here like that. It will balance and sit around as it goes around, and you'll be ready to do the trick. So let me show you what this looks like one more time. From here, twist your thumb in, bring your right thumb in, twist around, and then you can bind return. That's the thumb grind transfer. Let me show you one more time. Pop it up, pop it up. There's different variations. You notice I hooked it in between my thumb. Play around with it. It's not important how you get out of it, just that you can transfer. It's thumb grind transfer.